The Sun, our very own star, a giant ball of burning gas composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. It sits majestically in the center of our solar system, holding everything together with its gravitational pull. Earth and all the other planets revolve around it, creating a cosmic dance that has been ongoing for billions of years. The Sun is incredibly important. Why? Because it is the source of all energy on Earth. It gives us light and heat essential for life as we know it. Without the Sun, Earth would be a very different place, cold and dark. Life on Earth depends on the Sun. Plants use sunlight to grow through a process called photosynthesis. Plants absorb sunlight and convert it into energy, which is then passed on through the food chain. Animals, including humans, eat plants or other animals that eat plants, making the Sun the ultimate source of our food. The Sun's energy powers everything on Earth, from the smallest plants to the largest ecosystems. Imagine a world without the Sun, no warmth, no light, no life. It's a scary thought, but also a fascinating one to explore. What would happen to our planet and its inhabitants? Let's journey into this hypothetical darkness and see what might happen. Join us as we explore this intriguing scenario. If the Sun suddenly went dark, we wouldn't notice right away. It takes about 8 minutes for light from the Sun to reach Earth, so we would still have those last few minutes of sunshine. But then, darkness. Our planet would be plunged into night. Temperatures would start to drop, not drastically at first, but noticeably. Without the Sun's warmth, Earth would begin to cool down. The darkness wouldn't be our only problem. We would lose the Sun's energy. This energy powers many things on Earth, including our weather patterns. Winds would change, ocean currents would shift, and our climate would be thrown into disarray. As days turned into weeks, the consequences of a sunless world would become more dire. The absence of sunlight would trigger a cascade of devastating effects, altering the very fabric of life on Earth. The most immediate impact would be on plants, primary producers in our ecosystem. Plants need sunlight for photosynthesis, the process of making food. This process is essential for their growth and survival. Without it, they would begin to wither and die. The vibrant green landscapes we are accustomed to would fade away, replaced by barren, lifeless fields. The death of plants would have a ripple effect throughout the food chain. Every organism, directly or indirectly, depends on plants for sustenance. Animals that eat plants would lose their food source. They would struggle to find carnivores. Animals that eat other animals would then suffer as their prey disappears. The entire food web would be thrown into chaos. The loss of the Sun would also have a profound effect on Earth's temperature. The warmth we take for granted would vanish. Without the Sun's constant heat, our planet would continue to cool. Frost and ice would spread, covering the once warm and habitable regions. Temperatures would plummet to unimaginable levels, making survival incredibly difficult, if not impossible, for most life forms. The Earth would become a frozen wasteland, inhospitable to nearly all forms of life.